you can buy there? Yeah. So just give me a call.
Yeah.
I mean, every Sunday when you think about it.
And the music is so good, girl.
So good. I love Jimmy Crockett. Yeah.
Girl, yeah.
Yeah, girl. So listen, how's things going with you and Michael?
Girl, things have never been better.
Really?
Yes, honey. Since he started going to the men's locker room experience.
At Sanctuary?
Yeah. Our communication it's been so much better. We've grown spiritually, emotionally. It makes me want to do better for myself.
Better? Wow. How do you want to do better for yourself?
Well, I like to lose a little bit of weight, maybe 10, 15 pounds, get myself back in shape. I just don't know where to go. And I don't have time to go to no gym.
Girl, let me tell you, do you know Sanctuary is going to be starting with the health and wellness team, a fitness and workout?
Okay.
Girl, they are organizing it now. Girl, they're going to have fitness. You can come and work out. Double dutch, jumping, walking. Girl, you know how we used to do some double dutch, girl. Look, we're going to be doing all kind of stuff. They're going to have to sign up in the announcements. You got to look out for them, girl, because I'm thinking about going myself.
All right.
I have got to get this baby weight off of me.
Baby weight? What? How old is the baby?
Girl, 12.
12 months?
12 years.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what? Let's do this thing. If you sign up, I'll sign up.
Girl, I am going for it. Let's get the crew together and let's go for it, girl.
Okay, let's
you
do
there?
it. I'm there.
Let's do it, baby. All right now.
They done let them Christians in the club, oh my God. They done let them Christians in the club, oh my God. They done let them Christians in the club, oh my God. They done let them